श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम। शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। वागीशाद्याः सुमनसः सर्वार्थानामुपक्रमे यन्नत्वा कृतकृत्या स्युः तं नमामि गजाननं। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुसाक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। यो नित्यमच्युतपदाम्बुजयुग्मरुक्मव्यामोहतस्तदितराणि तृणाय मेने अस्मद्गुरोः भगवतोऽस्य दयैकसिन्धोः रामानुजस्य चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये। यस्य स्मरणमात्रेण द्वैतवासना प्रमुच्यते बोधात्मकाय नमस्तस्मै भगवते श्रीरमणमहर्षये। हृदाकाशे सदा भान्तं शान्तमानन्दरूपिणं ज्ञानभानुमहं वन्दे सद्गुरुं श्रीसत्यसायिनं मम अन्तर्यामिनम्। दोर्भिर्युक्ता चतुर्भिस्फटिकमणिमयीमक्षमालां ददानास्ते नैकेन पद्मं सितमपि च शुकं पुस्तकं चापरेण। भासा कुन्देन्दुशङ्खस्फटिकमणिनिभा समाना समाना सा मे वाग्देवतेयं निवसतु वदने सर्वदा सुप्रसन्ना। कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरमधुराक्षरमारुह्य कविताशाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलं। वाल्मीकिर्मुनिसिंहस्य कवितावनचारिणः शृण्वन् रामकथानादं कोनयाति परां गतिम्। यः पिबन् सततं रामचरितामृतसागरमतप्तस्तं मुनिं वन्दे प्राचेतसमकल्मषम्। गोष्पदीकृतवारीशम् अशकीकृतराक्षसं रामायण महामालारत्नं वन्दे अनिलात्मजमञ्जनानन्दनं वीरं जानकीशोकनाशनं कपीशमक्षान्तारं वन्दे लङ्काभयङ्करम्। उल्लङ्घ्य सिन्धो सलिलं सलीलं यशोकवन्यं जनकात्मजाया आदाय तेन हे ददालङ्कां नमामि तं प्राञ्जलिराञ्जनेयम् आञ्जनेयमतिपाटलाननं। काञ्चनाद्रिकमणीयविग्रहं पारिजाततरुमूलवासिनं भावयामि पवमाननन्दनं। यत्र यत्र रघुनाथकीर्तनं तत्र तत्र कृतमस्तकाञ्जलिं बाष्पवारि परिपूर्णलोचनं मारुतिं नमत राक्षसान्तकम्। मनोजवं मारुततुल्यवेगं जितेन्द्रियं बुद्धिमतां वरिष्ठं वातात्मजं वानरयूतमुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं शिरसा नमामि। वाल्मीकिगिरिसम्भूता रामसागरगामिनी पुनातिभुवनं पुण्या रामायण महानदी। वेदवेद्ये परे पुंसि जाते दशरथात्मजे वेदप्राचेतसा दासीत् साक्षात् रामायणात्मना। तदुपगतसमाससन्धियोगं सममधुरोपनार्थवाक्यबद्धं रघुवरचरितं मुनिप्रणीतं। दशशिरसश्च वदं निशामयद्वं मानिषादप्रतिष्ठां त्वमगमशाश्वती समाः। यत्क्रौञ्चमिथुनादेकम् अवधीः काममोहितम्। अपदामपहर्तारं दातारं सर्वसम्पदां लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं भूयो भूयो नमाम्यहम्। रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेदसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। वैदेही सहितं सुरद्रुमतले हैमे महामण्डपे मध्ये पुष्पकमासने मणिमये वीरासने सुस्थितम्। अग्रे वाचयति प्रपञ्चनसुते तत्त्वं मुनिभ्यः परं व्याख्यान्तं भरतादिविपरिवृतं रामं भजे श्यामळम्। वामे भूमिसुता पुरश्च हनुमान् पश्चात् सुमित्रासुता। शत्रुघ्नो भरतश्च पार्श्वदलयोः वायुवादुकोणेषु च सुग्रीवश्च विभीषणश्च युवराट् तारासुतो जाम्बवान् मध्ये नीलसरोजकोमलरुचिं रामं भजे श्यामळम्। गुरुवर्ते त्यक्तराज्यो व्यचरदनुवनं पद्मपद्भ्यां प्रियायाकापाणिस्पर्शाक्षमाभ्यां मृजितपतरुजो यो हरीन्द्रानुजाभ्यां। वैरूप्या शूर्पणख्या प्रियविरहरुषारोपित भ्रूविजृम्भत्रस्ताब्धिः बद्धसेतुः कलदवदहना कोसलेन्द्रोऽवतान्नः। जानकीकान्तस्मरणं जय जय राम राम आंजनेय स्वामी की जय जय। मम सत्यप्रतिज्ञा च वीर्यशुल्केति कौशिक। सीता प्राणेर्बहुमता देया रामाय मे सुता। Janaka Maharaja announces in the presence of Vishwamitra Maharshi that as per my original pledge and promise, I hereby give Sita, who is dearer to me than my very life, to Rama as a reward for his prowess, Virya Shulka. With your permission, we would like to send this information to Dasharatha to invite him to preside over the rest of the proceedings. Then when Janaka Maharaja prayed to Vishwamitra, Vishwamitra gave consent to that. Shatananda composed a beautiful message on behalf of Janaka, and it was sent immediately through swift messengers to Dasharatha in Ayodhya. They travelled for 3 days and 3 nights and went straight to Ayodhya. கிளாந்தவாகனாக அப்படின்னு சொன்னான். தூதாஸ்தே கிளாந்தவாகனாக அப்படின்னா. They did not even give any rest to the horses, they went that quickly, it seems. Klantavahanaha. To show how urgently the message was conveyed. Okay, this news was prayerfully submitted to Dasharatha Maharaja that அழகா இருக்கு. மைதிலோ ஜனகோ ராஜா ச அக்னிஹோத்திர புரஸ்கிருதம் குஷலம் சாவ்யயம் சைவ சோபாத்யாய புரோஹிதம். Sa Agnihotra Puraskritam, with the Agni, sacred fire in front of him, King Janaka of Mithila inquires after your welfare and the welfare of the rishis that are with you. Agnihotra Puraskritam, that shows how important the Agni was to them. Keeping the Agni in front, as the Agni as the witness, your welfare has been asked by Janaka Maharaja again and again, Muhurmuhu, again and again he asked Sneha Samyuktaya Gira, with very affectionate, love-filled words he is asking you after your welfare. And with the permission of Kaushika Numate Vakyam, with the permission of Vishwamitra Maharshi, this message comes to you from Janaka. And suddenly Janaka did a message and so with permission of Vishwamitra Maharshi now, okay. என்னது அப்போ கூட பயமா இருக்கும் ராஜாக்கு. Still ஏதோ sons went away with Vishwamitra, no news from them. Suddenly Janaka Maharaja's message is coming to us with Vishwamitra's permission. அப்படின்னா என்ன ஆச்சோ ஏதாச்சோ, are the children okay? அதுக்குள்ள பூர்வம் பிரதிஜ்ஞா விதிதா வீரிய சுல்கா மமாத்மஜா. You must already know about the vow that I had previously of giving my daughter only in marriage to somebody who can demonstrate extraordinary prowess. Anna, nobody was able to do that. Luckily, Seyam mama sudha rajan Vishwamitra purasaraihi yadrichaya gatair veerair nirjita tava putrakaihi. Your sons came along with Vishwamitra Maharshi and have not disappointed me at all. Adila, your eldest son Rama broke the bow in the assembly of all the people, and as such Sita is fit to be given to him in marriage as the Veera Shulka. I request you to give your full consent so that I can fulfill my vow. My pratigna, my promise is that I will give this daughter of mine to whoever breaks the bow. But the father-in-law also has to agree, father of the boy. If he says, I don't want to marry into your family, then what will you do? I want to give, I don't want to take. Adhanala, therefore, I request you to please come with all your so Upadhyayo Maharaja Purohita Purasaraha, along with your preceptors and priests, you must come. And you come here, Shigram Agacha Badrante Drashtumarghasi Ragavo, come quickly, as soon as you can. This will give joy to us, give joy to you also, give joy to the youngsters also. In this manner, we can perform their marriage. This message comes to you, this letter comes to you with Childra Vishwamitra Abhyanugnyatha Shatanandamate Stitaha. Rajava na edukala, it is not a decision that I as a king alone have taken. Vishwamitra Maharshi has signed. Shathananda, my guru, has also given approval. Adanala with the approval alla periyorgalal nichayikapattu appdi namala eludhuvom. In our wedding invitations, in Tamil alla eludhum பொழுது, in Tamil we write the wedding invitation இல்லையா, அதுல வந்து பெரியோர்களால் நிச்சயிக்கப்பட்டு அப்படின்ற வார்த்தை வரும். Elders have approved, or with the blessings of the elders of the family, this is taking place அப்படினா. சின்ன பசங்களா பண்ணல, பெரியோர்களால் நிச்சயிக்கப்பட்டு அப்படி. Elders are giving their blessings அப்படி. அதனால விஸ்வாமித்ரா, சதானந்தா, everybody is giving their blessings to this. Therefore you must come. அப்படின உடனே ஒரே சந்தோஷம். தசரத மகாராஜா ரீடிங் இட் கேட்டு உடனே என்ன பண்ண, கௌசல்யே கேட்டியா? வசிஷ்டம் வாமதேவம் ச மந்திரிணோ அன்யாம்ஸ்ச சோப்ரவீத். வசிஷ்டா, வாமதேவா etc. all sitting there. அன்யாம்ஸ்ச, others are also sitting there. others யாரெல்லாம் உட்கார்ந்துட்டு இருக்கா அப்படின்னா கண்டிப்பா கௌசல்யா சிட்டிங் தேர்னு புரியுறது. ஏன் அப்படின்னா குப்த குஷிக புத்திரேன கௌசல்யா ஆனந்தவர்தனா. கௌசல்யா ஆனந்தவர்தனன் என் பிள்ளைன்னு சொல்லிக்கலையா, அப்போ மை சன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லலையா, கௌசல்யா சன் அப்படின்னு சொல்ல. ஜென்ரலா விசித்திரமா இருக்கும். ஜென்ரலி when the son does very well, the father will say my son அப்படின்னு. My son. When the son is not doing so well அப்படின்னா see what your son has done அப்படி. see what your son has done அப்படின்னு wife டு சொல்லுவோம். but if the son has done well அப்படின்னா see my son அப்படின்னு. ஆனா இங்க தசரத மகாராஜா is not like that. கௌசல்யா ஆனந்தவர்தனஹா, Kausalya's son has performed an extraordinary deed. Under the protection of Vishwamitra, Rama and Lakshmana are both now staying in Videha Desha, and Janaka desires to bestow his daughter in marriage to our Rama. Shall we all go? What do you all say? அப்படின்னு கேட்கிறார். உடனே அவள்கிட்ட यदिवो रोचते वृत्तम जनकस्य महात्मनः, if you all like what Janaka has come up with the plan, then we can all go. What do you say? அப்படின்னா எல்லாரும் certainly என்ன சொல்லுவோம், பாடமித்யாஹு, எல்லாரும் சரி சரி கம், எஸ் 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 டெஃபினெட்லி. எல்லாருக்கும் ஒரே சந்தோஷம், நாளைக்கே கிளம்பலாம், tomorrow itself we are leaving. உடனே enough wealth, gems, all kinds of precious things as a gift were all taken. 4 divisions of the army was getting made ready. Vasishta, Vamadeva, Jabali, Kashyapa, Markandeya, Katyayana, all the rishis accompanying Maharaja Dasharatha, ella readiya sajjama irukella. Like this, the next day the big party left from Ayodhya to arrive in Mithila. It took them 4 days to cover this. The messengers did it in 3 days and 3 nights. On a பெரிய retinue, it took them 4 days. 4 நாள்ல வந்து சேர்ந்தா. வந்த உடனே immediately the news came that Dasharatha Maharaja has accepted, he is coming. அப்படின உடனே Videha Maharaja is very happy, Janaka is very happy. He goes to extend his delay, his hospitality. அவரே நேர போறார், he himself goes there. स्वागतौ ते महाराज दिष्ट्या प्राप्तोसि राघव, पुत्रो योरुभयो प्रीतौ लप्स्यसे वीर्य निर्जितां. भागो हे राघवा, हे रघुवंश प्रदीपा, please come. Welcome to you. Swagatam te. Your 2 sons have demonstrated extraordinary prowess. You should be very proud of having sons like this. அப்படின்னு சொல்லி the rishis go and welcome the rishis, the king goes and welcomes the king. இப்படியா எல்லாரும் வரா சொல்றேன், நீங்க you have come tomorrow itself at dawn, after the completion of the sacrifice we should sit down and perform the marriage function with the approval of all the rishis. We should do this. விவாகம் ரிஷி சம்மதம், ரிஷி சம்மதமா இந்த விவாகத்தை பண்ணணும். you must please accept our Sita அப்படின்னு உடனே வாக்கியம் வாக்கிய விதாம் சிரேஷ்ட பிரத்யுவாச்ச மஹீபதிம். மஹீபதி ராஜா தசரதா வாக்கிய விதாம் சிரேஷ்டா அப்படின்னு சொல்றா, who is most eloquent, knows how to speak. அவர் ரிப்ளை பண்றார். அவர் என்ன ரிப்ளை பண்றார் பாருங்க. see how he says, பிரதிக்ரஹோ தாத்ருவஷஹ ஸ்ருதமே தல்மயா புரா யதா வக்ஷ்யசி தர்மஜ்ஞ தத்கரிஷ்யாமஹே வயம். பியூட்டிஃபுல் வார்த்தை அது, யாரும் ஃபாலோ பண்ண மாட்டேங்கிறோம் இப்பெல்லாம். பிரதிகிரகோ தாத்ருவஷா அப்படின்னா பிரதிகிரகா, when you are accepting a gift, அப்போ you are always bound by the giver of the gift. பிரதிகிரகோ தாத்ருவஷா, since we are accepting the gift from you, you are giving Sita as the gift to us, we are accepting her அப்படிங்கிறதுனால we are at your disposal. You are the one that is giving a gift to us, அதனால we are dependent upon you, so whatever you say we will do அப்படிங்கிற தசரதர். தசரதா says whatever you say we will do. இந்த காலம் மாறி போயிடுது, இந்த இப்படிதான் இருந்தது ஒரு காலத்துல போல இருக்கு. அதாவது there was mutual respect between both the parties, whether it was the boys side or the girls side, there was mutual respect, because somehow it changed in the patriarchal society. It changed and suddenly the boys side becomes very important, girls side not so important ஆயிடுது. ஆனா in Ramayana Paddhati you can find how great people behave. என்ன சொல்றா அப்படின்னா, நாங்க தானே வாங்கிக்கிறோம், we are receiving, you are the giver. The giver is always above the receiver. இல்லையா? கன்யா தானம் அப்படின்னு தானே சொல்றோம். அதை In wedding, we refer to it as Kanyadanam. அப்படின்னா அந்த கன்னியை கொடுக்கிறது, தானம் பண்றது. தானம் பண்றவன், the donor is always greater than the receiver. In fact, it reminds me the word donation, donor comes from the Sanskrit word dana. தானம் சொல்றோம் இல்லையா, தானத்துல இருந்தா donation, donor எல்லாம் வருது. So the donor, the one who is giving, is always higher than the one who is receiving. அதனால we are at your disposal. அப்படின்னு சொன்ன உடனே ஒரே தர்மிஷ்டம் ச யசஸ்யம் ச வசனம் சத்யவாதினஹ ஸ்ருத்வா விதேகாதிபதிஹி பரம் விஸ்மயமாகதஹ. Janaka became very surprised, very astonished, marveled at these words which were true, but at the same time said so beautifully, filled with righteousness, filled with truth, the words that were uttered by தசரதா அப்படின்னு சொல்றான். விஸ்மயம், பரம் விஸ்மயமாகத்தான் சொல்லும்போது அப்ப என்ன தெரியுதுன்னா, அப்போ இப்படிதான் இருக்குன்னு தெரியுது. அப்போ ஏன்னா ஜனகா was surprised it seemed. He didn't expect Dasharatha to say these words. தசரதா அப்படின்னு தசரதா அப்படி would have expected தசரதா. ஆனா தசரதா இப்படி சொன்ன உடனே பரம் விஸ்மயமாகதா, he was very surprised. ஆஹா, இப்படி ஒரு ராஜாவா. Then he was even more happy. இந்த குடும்பத்துல நானே பொண்ணு கொடுக்க போறேன். I am going to give my daughter into such a household. She will definitely be happy. அப்படின்னு he was doubly delighted. இப்படியா arrangements were made for Dasharatha Maharaja to stay அந்த இடத்துக்கு. They were escorted. Rama and Lakshmana came there. Father was able to meet them after a long time and heard the prowess of their sons, how they went and killed Tataka, Subahu, drove away Maricha, protected the Yajna, on the way restored Ahalya from the Shapa. எல்லாம் கேட்க எம்புள்ளையா, என் குழந்தையா பண்ணினா, my little boy did all of this. ஊனஷோ நஷவர்ஷோன்னு சொன்னேனே, நான் சின்ன குழந்தைன்னு சொன்னேனே, இவ்வளோ பண்ணிவிட்டானா ராமா, இத்தனையும் பண்ணிட்டான்னு நிற்கிறனி அப்படின்னுங்கிறான். Dasharatha should be surprised. இல்லை நினைச்சு பாருங்க, Dasharatha thought my small boy, my small child அப்படின்னு. நம்ம குழந்தை ஸ்கூலுக்கு போய் ஏதாவது பிரைஸ் வேணும் தானே நமக்கு நம்ப முடிய மாட்டேங்கிறது. என் குழந்தையா பண்ணித்து அப்படின்னு. If our child goes and gets some good marks or gets some good appreciation or praise from the teachers, then we are a bit doubtful. Are you sure? My child. இது அடிக்கின்றே போற. They are giving the big list. தாட்டகவா, everybody knows their prowess. தாட்டகை கொண்டு விட்டானா என் பிள்ளை. அப்புறம் சுபாகுவா, மாரீச்சனா. Each thing is adding surprise and wonder to Dasharatha Maharaja himself. அதுக்குள்ள Janaka Maharaja sends word, his younger brother Kushadvajan, or younger brother, is living there in a nearby kingdom. Sankashyam அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு சாங்காஷ்யாங்கிற ஒரு கிங்டம், அந்த கிங்டத்தில் இருக்கிறதுனால he says go and invite my younger brother, such a wonderful occasion is going to happen, அதனால definitely my younger brother should come அப்படின்னு Janaka Maharaja sends word. உடனே அவனும் he also comes there. இப்படியா next morning everybody meets, the families meet. Janaka Maharaja, Janaka's brother Kushadvaja, இந்த பக்கம் Shathananda, Vishwamitra சென்டரில் உட்காந்துட்டு இருக்கார். நடுவர் Vishwamitra is in the middle. In this side is Dasharatha. அப்புறம் Dasharatha's priests and all the Brahmanas who have come along with him, Vasishta etc. எல்லாரும் அங்கே இருக்கா. இப்படி எல்லாருமா இருக்கா. அப்போ Dasharatha, first and foremost, immediately he says, Vakta sarveshu krityeshu vasishto bhagavan rishihi. எங்கள் ஆற்றுல பேசுறதெல்லாம் வசிஷ்டர் தான். From our side, Vasishta will be the spokesperson. Vakta, Vaktana, spokesperson. He shall be the spokesperson. He will deal with everything. Everything he will talk about. அப்படின்னு பேசுகிறார். ஆனால் அவரோட பிரிய உட்காந்துட்டு இருக்கார் இல்லையா, he is the great old sage. அதனால nobody can speak anything in front of the hoary old sageங்கிறதுனால விதிதம் தே மகாராஜ இக்ஷ்வாகு குல தெய்வதம். விதிதம் தே மகாராஜ இக்ஷ்வாகு குல தெய்வதம் வக்தா சர்வேஷு கிருத்தியேஷு வசிஷ்டோ பகவான் ரிஷி. எங்க இக்ஷ்வாகு குலத்துக்கு தெய்வம் இவர் தான். For our Ikshvaku Vamsha, our God is Vashishta Bhagavan. அதனால Vashishta will speak. Vashishta Bhagavan Rishihi, Bhagavan Vashishta Rishihi will speak. அப்படின்னு சொன்னார். ஒரு சந்தோஷம். ஏன்னா at that day when Vishwamitra came, like an idiot, I said, no, I can't send my Rama. At that time it was Vashishta who stepped in and said, no, send him, all good will come. Today I am reaping the result of that. அதனால he says, எல்லாத்துக்கும் அவரே பேசட்டும், நான் இந்த வாயே திறக்கல. I don't want to open my mouth. Who knows what I will say? Let him speak. Last time I opened my mouth, Sukhi Bhava அப்படிங்கிறார் விஸ்வாமித்ர மகரிஷி. அதனால no thank you, let Vashishta himself speak அப்படிங்கறனால வக்தா சர்வேஷு கிருத்யேஷு for everything Vashishta is our spokesperson. அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு தூஷ்ணீம் பூதே ஜசரதே வசிஷ்டோ பகவான் ரிஷி உவாச்ச வாக்கியம் வாக்கியஜ்ஞோ வைதேகோ சபுரோதசம் அப்படின்னு he kept quiet அப்படிங்கிறார். தூஷ்ணீம் பூதே he became quiet. He said Vashishta will speak. So Vashishta starts to speak. சொல்றார் அவ்யக்தம பிரபவோ பிரம்மா சாஸ்வதோ நித்ய அவ்யயः தஸ்மான் மரீச்சி சஞ்சஜ்யே மரீச்சேர் காஷ்யபஸ்சுதா விவஸ்வான் காஷ்யபா ஜக்ஞே முனிர்வை வஸ்வத ஸ்மிருதः மனுஃ பிரஜாபதிர் பூர்வம் இக்ஷ்வாகஸ்து மனோசுதः ஆரம்பிக்கிறார். அவ்யக்த பிரபவோ பிரம்மா சாஸ்வதோ நித்ய அவ்யயः. அவ்யக்தமான பரபிரம்ம ஸ்வரூபத்திலிருந்து Brahma, the creator, appeared. From the unmanifested supreme being, supreme consciousness, Brahma, the creator, appeared. Brahma created Marichi. Marichi created Kashyapa. Kashyapa Prajapati had a son called Vivaswan. And Vivaswan had a son called Manu. Manu's son was called Ikshvaku. Ikshvaku tam Ikshvakum Ayodhyayam Rajanam Vidhi Purvakam. He is the first king of Ayodhya. Ikshvaku is the first king of Ayodhya, ancestral king. His son was Kukshi. Kukshi's son was Vikukshi. Vikukshi's son was Bana. Bana's son was Anaranya. Anaranya's son was Prutu. Prutu's son was Trishanku. Trishanku's son was Dundumara. Dundumara, who was also called Yuvanashva, his son was Mandhata. Mandhata's son was Susandhi, who had two children, Dhruvasandhi and Prasenajit. To Dhruvasandhi was born Bharata. Bharata's son was Asita. Asita unfortunately was defeated in the war, but when he died, one of his wives was pregnant. Adila the other one, the two wives he had, Asita had two wives. One wife was pregnant, the other one was jealous. Adala she mixed some poison and gave to the co-wife so that the child may die. But at that time, when they were staying in Himalaya region, Chavana Maharshi was there. Chavana Maharshi came there by chance, and this wife of Asita paid obeisance to him. He said, I know what has happened. Poison has been administered to your child, but nothing will happen to your child. He will be born along with the poison. Adanale you can name him Sagara. அப்படின்னு சொன்ன சகரா அப்படின்னு சொன்னா. ஏன் சகரா அப்படின்னா Gara அப்படின்னா poison. The word Gara means poison. Sagara, he is with poison அப்படின்னு அர்த்தம். Garena Saha is born. அதனால let him be called Sagara அப்படின்னு his name was given as Sagara. Sagara's son is what we saw. Yeah, Sagara's children is the story we saw in Descent of Ganga. So Vashishta is continuing the lineage, the descent, the pedigree. Sagara's son was Asamanjas. Asamanjas' son was Amshuman. Amshuman's son was Dilipa. Dilipa's son was Bhagiratha. Bhagiratha's son was Kakusta. Kakusta's son was Raghu. Pravridha was Raghu's son. Ana அவர் எல்லாத்தையும் ஒப்பிக்கிறார். எங்க ஆத்துல சில இதுகள்லாம் ஆயிருக்கு அப்படிங்கிறார்ப்பா. Vashishta doesn't hide anything. Family அப்படின்னு ரெண்டு பேர் பேசினா எல்லாத்தையும் சொல்லணும் இல்லையா, மூடி மறைக்கப்படாது. We cannot hide certain things in the family. அதனால அவர் சொல்றாரு certain things happened in our family also. அசமஞ்சஸ்னு ஒருத்தன் இருந்தான். சகரா எங்க எப்படிலாம் my one of our ancestors Sagara Chakravarti, he was poisoned at birth. These kind of things. Asita was a bit of a weakling. இதெல்லாம் ஆகும். என்ன பண்றது? ஒரு குடும்பம்னா எல்லாம் இருக்கும். In a family, all these kinds of things. No family is perfect. Even though the family comes from Brahma himself, Manu, Ikshvaku, etc. Still, all these things can happen. Asamanjas, we saw he was exiled. அந்த வழியில் பார்த்து போனால் இங்கே ஆஃப்டர் பகீரதா, பகீரதாஸ் ஃபேம் இஸ் நோன் டு எவரிபடி. ககுஸ்தா, ககுஸ்தா இஸ் நோன் இஸ் ஆல்சோ நோன் டு எவரிபடி. அதான் காகுஸ்தா அப்படின்னு வாழ்க்கலாம் பேர். ரகு, ரகு இஸ் ஆல்சோ வெரி வெரி ஃபேமஸ். அதனால தான் ராகவா அப்படின்னு. ரகுவம்சம், ராகவாஸ், they are all called ராகவாஸ் because they are all coming in the lineage of Raghu. பிரவிருத்தா, பிரவிருத்தா என்னாச்சு அப்படின்னா, in the case of Pravriddha, he unfortunately misbehaved with Vashishta in his arrogance, and therefore he was cursed by Vashishta to become a cannibal, a purushada, eater of flesh, of human flesh. Appo he wanted to curse Vashishta. அவன் என்ன பண்ணான், he was so powerful, he could curse Vashishta, so he took water in his hand to curse Vashishta. அப்போ his wife said, no, don't do that because he is after all the guru. அப்படி உடனே he immediately poured that water in which he had already invoked the curse, the power of the curse. He poured it down onto his own feet. As a result, his feet all became black. அதனால கல்மஷபாதான பேர் அவனுக்கு. So another name he had was Kalmashapada, stained feet அப்படின்னு அர்த்தம். So this Kalmashapada or Pravriddha, his son was Shankanaha. Sudarshana was born to Shankana. To Sudarshana was born Agnivarna. To Agnivarna was born Shigraka. To Shigraka was born Maru. From Maru came Prashushruka. From Prashushruka came Ambarisha. Ambarisha's son was Nahusha. Nahusha's son was Yayati. Yayati's son was Nabhaga. Nabhaga's son was Aja. Aja's son is Dasharatha. And this Dasharatha is the father of Rama Lakshmanau. Asmat Dasharatha Ajatau Bhratarau Rama Lakshmanau. And from this Dasharatha comes this Rama and Lakshmana. அப்படின்னு lineage அப்படி வருஷிச்சு. இதான் எங்களுடைய குடும்பம். This is our family. அப்ப Janaka Maharaja says, since the two boys came, Rama and Lakshmana, both of them came, it is not nice if I give my daughter in marriage only to Rama and Lakshmana will be standing there empty handed. Adhanala I have a younger daughter also, Urmila. I want to give her also in marriage to Lakshmana. Appadinu when Janaka said, appa Vashishta says, romba happy, Tvatsute appadina rendu periyum kodu. Rama Lakshmanayorarte Tvatsute Varaye Nripa Sadrishabhyam Nripa Sreshta Sadrishe Dhatumarghasi. This is our lineage. If you are happy with our lineage, then you may certainly bestow upon us, give to us in marriage your two daughters, Sita and Urmila, to Rama and Lakshmana. Appadinu Vashishta says to Janaka. Listening to this, Janaka immediately, he himself, Kritanjalihi, Pratyuvacha Kritanjalihi. Peshumbodhu இப்படி பேசுறா. This is how he speaks. Kritanjalihi அப்படின்னா like this in அர்த்தம். Anjali Mudra. He joins his palms together. Joining his palms, he speaks. Shrotumarhasi badrante kulam naha parikirtitam. Now you must listen to my kula. The kula in which I have come. The lineage in which I have come. எப்படி ஆரம்பிக்கிறது அப்படின்னா என்ன எதுக்குன்னா பிரதானேஹி முனிஸ்ரேஷ்ட குலம் நிரவசேஷதா வக்தவ்யம் குலஜாதேன தன்னிபோத மகாமுனே. At the time of, on the eve of giving away one's daughter, Pradhanehi munisreshta kulam niravaseshataha vaktavyam kulajatena. When the daughter is going to be given away, then the entire pedigree needs to be recited by one who comes from a respectable family. Kulajatena, நல்ல குலத்துல பிறந்தவாள், those who have been born in an excellent kula should narrate the lineage at the time of this wedding. Yeah, why? I am such a great family, I am better than you, you are better than me அப்படிங்கிறதுக்காகவா? Is it a competition between the two parties to see who is greater, who is superior அப்படின்னா? If at the beginning of the marriage itself, if you are insisting on establishing superiority and inferiority, that marriage will not succeed. It will fail. In a marriage should be between equals. சதிருஷே அப்படிங்கிற வசிஷ்ட சொல்றார், சதிருஷமா கொடுப்பான்னு சொல்றார். சதிருஷாபியாம் நிருபஸ்ரேஷ்ட சதிருஷே தாத்துமர்ஹசி. சதிருஷாபியாம் அப்படி ரெண்டு பேர் சதிருஷமா இருக்கிறவாளுக்கு, டு worthy ones equally சதிருஷே தாத்தும், give equally worthy dot. மேலையும் கீழையும் போயிடுதுன்னா அப்புறம் it will not work properly. How should a marriage happen அப்படிங்கிறது சொல்றது ராமாயணம். ஈக்குவலா பண்ணிக்கோங்கிறது. Don't get a girl or a boy from somebody higher than you, get equal. ஏன்னா only then balance will be there. Otherwise I am greater than you, I am lesser than you, inferiority, superiority, no complexes will exist in this kind of a marriage. So this is not for the sake of arguing, it is not for the sake of establishing greatness and glory, not at all. Then what அப்படினா a remembrance with gratitude the ancestors who have all worked to allow us to celebrate this function today. அதுக்கா ஏன்னா without them we will not come இல்லையா. Without our ancestors we cannot spring forth from suddenly somewhere, no. Out of nothing we cannot come. So if we have come அப்படின்னா our parents, our grandparents on both sides, great parents on four sides, increase ஆண்டே போகும் இல்லையா. Each person has two sets of grandparents, four sets of great parents. அப்படி it keeps going. அப்ப எவ்வளவு பெரிய விருட்சம். See, it is a funnel. It is a funnel because it is not. It's an inverted pyramid. To produce you, so many people have gotten together to produce you. You are only one, but you had two parents, and each of those parents had two parents, so four grandparents. Each of them had their own parents. அப்படி பெரிய விருட்சம். It is funneling down to produce you. You are a small drop, an essence of such extraordinary confluences. இல்லையா? Other to remember that confluence, to remember and give gratitude to all our ancestors, our elders, this is done. அதுக்காக பண்றோம். In our invitations also we will write so and so's parent பௌத்ரனும் இவருடைய தௌஹித்ரனும் அப்படின்னு போடுவோம் இல்லையா. நம்மளுடைய நம்ம வெட்டிங் இன்விடேஷன்ஸ் we will say பௌத்ர தௌஹித்ர அப்படின்னா பௌத்ரன் அப்படின்னா தி எப்படி சொல்றது, in English we do not have corresponding words for it. பௌத்ர அப்படின்னா son's son, தௌஹித்ர அப்படின்னா daughter's son. So the same individual is son's son for one person and daughter's son for one person. So they are both grandfathers. So both the grandfathers' names will be listed, and in the same side, this side also both the grandparents' names will be listed. So and so's granddaughter and so's granddaughter. அப்படின்னா what are we doing? We are respecting and paying homage to our ancestors, to our elders. Why is this necessary? But without them we are not here. Gratitude இல்லைன்னா, without gratitude we cannot accomplish anything. And it also teaches us humility. அதனால சொல்றா இந்த மாதிரி on a time like this we have got to narrate all of this. Therefore I will also tell you about our kingdom, our genealogy. Please listen to it. In the beginning there was a king, Raja Bhutrishu Lokeshu Vishruta Svena Karmana. There was a king who was famed in all the three worlds for his own actions. His name was Nimi. Nimi Chakravarti. प्रिय धर्मात्मा, परम धर्मात्मा, सर्व सत्वता अमरहा, extraordinary dharmatma, he was Nimi. Nimi had a son, Mithi. Mithi is the one who constructed this Mithila Desham. This Mithila was constructed by, this city of Mithila was constructed by Mithi. That is why it is called Mithila. He was the first Janaka. He was called Janaka. From then on, all the sons in this family have all been called Janakas only. எல்லாருமே ஜனகா தான் அவன் ஃபேமிலியில். பிரதமோ ஜனகோ நாம அப்படின்னா he is the first Janaka and he was the Janaka of உதாவசுஹு. ஜனகானா ஃபாதர்னு அவன் அர்த்தம் உண்டு. ஜனகா அப்படின்னா ஃபாதர் அப்படின்னு அர்த்தம் சான்ஸ்கிரிட்ல. His son was Udavasu. Udavasu's son was Nandivardhana. Nandivardhana's son is Suketu. Suketu's son was Devaratha. Devaratha's son was Brihadratha. Brihadratha's son was Mahavira. His son was Sudruti. Sudrute's son was Drishtaketu. Drishtaketu's son was Haryashva. Haryashva's son was Maru. Maru's son was Pratindaka. Pratindaka's son was Kirtiratha. Kirtiratha's son was Devamida. Devamida's son is Vibudha. Vibhuda's son is Mahidraka. Mahidraka's son is again another Kirtiratha. கீர்த்திரதஸ்ய ராஜர்ஷே, he was a ராஜரிஷி, அவ எல்லாருமே ராஜரிஷி தான். கீர்த்திரதா son was மகாரோமா, மகாரோமா son was ஸ்வர்ணரோமா, ஸ்வர்ணரோமா son was ஹ்ரஸ்வரோமா, ஹ்ரஸ்வரோமா அப்படிங்கிற பெரிய தர்மாத்மா. தஸ்ய புத்திரத்வயம் ஜக்ஞே தர்மஜ்ஞஸ்ய மகாத்மனஹ ஜேஷ்டோஹௌ அனுஜோ பிராதா மம வீரஹ குஷத்வஜஹ. அதுல ஹ்ரஸ்வரோமா was a very paramadharmika, very magnanimous, he was Mahatma, he was very devoted to dharma. He had two sons, his eldest son is myself and this is my younger brother Kushadvaja. நாங்க ரெண்டு பேரும் தான் இங்க, the two brothers. I was given in the charge of Mithila, whereas my younger brother was looking after Sankashaங்கிற kind. ஒரு அது எப்படி வந்தது அப்படின்னா, previously in this Sankashya there was a king called Sudhanva. He besieged Mithila and sent me a notice saying I should give him both the bow and Sita in marriage. When I refused, a great conflict broke out between him and me. In that I killed him, Sudhanva, and then crowned my brother as the king of Sankashya, which was ruled by Sudhanva. இதான் எங்களுடைய வம்சாவளி. This is our lineage. இவர் பேர் ஷீரத்வஜன். His name is Kshiradvaja. This is my brother Kushadvaja and we are the two brothers. அப்படின்னு இங்க வரைக்கும் அவா lineage வந்தது. வீரியசுல்காம் மம சுதாம் சீதாம் சுரசுதோபமாம் த்விதீயாம் ஊர்மிளாம் சைவ த்ரிர்ததாமி ந சம்சயः. Janaka says, my daughter Sita, my younger daughter Urmila, both of them I give to Rama and Lakshmana. Trisatyama children, 3 times I proclaim this as the truth. This is the we are offering. நீங்க இனிமே என்னென்ன பண்ணணுமோ நீங்க பண்ணிக்கோங்க. whatever needs to be done as part of your religious rites along with your priest, you please do all of that. ததாமி பரம பிரீதோ வத்வௌதே ரகுநந்தன ராம லக்ஷ்மணயோ ராஜன் கோதானம் காரயஸ்வ பித்ருகார்யம் ச பத்ரந்தே ததோ வைவாஹிகம் குரு மகாஹ்யத்ய மகாபாகோ த்ரிதீயே திவசே பிரபோ ஃபல்குண்யாம் உத்தரே ராஜன் தஸ்மின் வைவாஹிகம் குரு ராம லக்ஷ்மணயோ ராஜன் தானம் காரியம் சுகோதயம். With great joy I am giving Sita and Urmila to Rama and Lakshmana. Therefore, as preparatory to all of the marriage functions, please make Rama and Lakshmana give cows in charity. Godanam pannaviyum, Godanam kuru karayasva, make them give cows in charity. Pitrakaryam cha bhadranthe, whatever ancestral worship needs to be done, please get all of that organized. Vaivahikam, whatever marriage rituals and rites that you have, please start doing all of those things. Our children, if it is acceptable to you, today is Makha Nakshatram. Makhahyadya, 3 days from now, Phalgunyam Uttare, Uttara Phalguni Nakshatram, Uttara Nakshatram. Uttara Phalguni Nakshatram is coming in 3 days. On that day, we will have the marriage celebration of Rama with Sita, Lakshmana with Urmila. The Uttara Phalguni Nakshatrathukku romba vishesham undu. Ramayanathila, in Ramayana, Uttara Phalguni Nakshatra has got a important value. Ena Uttara Phalguni Adya அப்படினு Rama says in Yuddhakandam. Today is Uttara Phalguni, let us march today itself. Abdina, when Hanuman comes and gives the news of Sita's whereabouts, immediately they say, when do we leave? When do we march? Abdina ellarum kekra, Ramar solrar, naalaiki hastam, inniki Uttara Phalguni, nike kalambidlam அப்படிங்கற. இப்பவே நாமலாங்கற Ramar actually. அபிஜித் முகூர்த்தம் வந்துடுது. இப்பவே என்ன, not because of his enthusiasm or excitement, he says, today is Uttara Phalguni Nakshatram, Abhijit Muhurtam has already come, therefore now itself let us leave. Tomorrow is Hastam, therefore let us leave today. அப்ப ஹஸ்தத்தை கிளம்பப்படாது போல் இருக்கும். உத்தரா பல்குனி ஹத்ய அப்படிங்கிறார் ராமர். டுடே இஸ் உத்தரா பல்குனி. ஏன்னா அவருக்கு ஞாபகம் வருது, the day when I got married to Sita was also உத்தரா பல்குனி, அந்த நட்சத்திரம். அதனால in order to go and restore, retrieve Sita also, I have got to go on உத்தர பல்குனி நட்சத்திரம் தான். அப்பதான் எனக்கு எல்லாம் சக்சஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கும் அப்படின்னு. நமக்கு லக்கி ஸ்டார். உத்தர பல்குனி இஸ் மை லக்கி ஸ்டார். உத்தர நட்சத்திரம்னு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா. ராமலக்ஷ்மண யுவராஜன் தானம் சுகோதயம் எல்லாம் பண்றேன். 3 days from now உத்தர பங்குனி நட்சத்திரம் shall be the marriage day அப்படின்னு சொன்ன உடனே விஸ்வாமித்திரர் is sitting and listening to everything இல்லையா. அவர் சொல்றார், மெதுவா சொல்றார், அச்சிந்த்யாம் அப்ரமேயானி குலானி நரபுங்கவ இக்ஷ்வாகூனாம் விதேஹானாம் நைஷாம் துல்யோ அஸ்தி கஷ்சன. The clans and the lineages of both the kings, Ikshvakus as well as the Videhas, are both immeasurable, incomparable, both are excellent. And therefore I think sadrisho dharma sambandha sadrisho rupa sampada Rama Lakshmanayo Rajan Sita Chormilaya Saha. Sadrisho dharma sambandha, according to dharma it is a perfect match. Sadrisho rupa sampada, as per their beauty, looks and prosperity and their wealth etc. also it is a perfect match. The match of Rama to Sita, Lakshmana to Urmila. Vaktavyam chanarasreshta shruyata vachanam mama. Shruyatam vachanam mama. Listen to my words. Vaktavyam, whatever words I am going to say, you must all please listen to me. இப்படி இப்ப சொன்னா யாரு கேட்காம இருக்க போறா? But our politeness, even though he can order everybody, he says, I would like to say a few words. என்னதுன்னா, பிராதா யவியான் தர்மஜ்ஞ ஏஷ ராஜா குஷத்வஜா. இந்த குஷத்வஜன் இருக்கானே, this குஷத்வஜா is also not no less. He is also good, great king. Asya dharmatmano rajan रूपेणा प्रतिमं भुवि सुता द्वयं नरश्रेष्ठ पत्नी अर्त्यं वरयामहे. யாரும் கண்டுக்கல, விஸ்வாமித்திரருக்கு அடிச்சுக்கிறது பாருங்க பாவம். என்னன்னா, Rama is the only one who broke the bow. By all rights Rama should be given Sita in marriage done. ஆனால் லக்ஷ்மணா கேம் அலாங், எல்லா இடத்துக்கும் தானும் நானும் வரேன்னான்னு லக்ஷ்மணா கேம் எவ்ரிவேருங்கும் பொழுது 2 குழந்தைகள் வந்து நின்றுதுன்னா ஒருத்தனுக்கு ஒருத்தன லட்டு இன்னொருத்தனுக்கு குட்டுன்னு சொல்ல முடியாது இல்லையா. When 2 children, 2 boys, 12-year-old boys came and stood there அப்படின்னா one fellow gets a laddu, other fellow gets a knock on the head, kuttu அப்படின்னா how is that possible? அப்ப both should be given something அப்படிங்கிறதுனால லக்ஷ்மணா also got ஒரு bride. Everybody thought the most appropriate, forget it, let's move on அப்படின்னா விஸ்வாமித்திரர் மாத்திரம் பார்க்கற பின்னாடி 2 பசங்க மேன் நிக்கிறது. பரதன் சத்ருகுணா ஸ்டாண்டிங் தேர் இப்படி பார்க்கறது. நமக்கு Bharatan Shatrugna are also all 4 sons were born together இல்லையா. Sons were all born together, brought up together, studied together, சம வயசு எல்லாம் ஒரே ஏஜ் தான். அப்ப 2 பேருக்கு கல்யாணம், 2 பேருக்கு பிரம்மச்சாரியம்னா எப்படி முடியும்? அதனால but nobody thought about it. Vasishta included did not think about it. ஆனா இது விஸ்வாமித்திரர் உட்கார்ந்து யோசிக்கிறார், அப்படி பார்க்கறார். ஐயோ பாவம் 2 பேர் உட்கார்ந்து இவெல்லாம் பெரிய லிஸ்ட் போட்டு இருக்காது. People are narrating the entire pedigree. Vishwamitra's entire look is on the இப்படி தாடி ஒரு பார்க்கறார். Stroking his beard, he is looking at Bharata and Shatrugna. What to do with Bharata Shatrugna? What to do with Bharata Shatrugna? பார்த்தா குஷத்வஜன் உட்கார்ந்து இருக்கான். மாட்டின்டான். பார்த்தார் குஷத்வஜா. This Kushadwaja is also very good fellow. and introduce பண்றச்சே நல்லவன் அவன். Bharata yaviyaman dharmajna yesha raja Kushadwaja. Kushadwaja ரொம்ப நல்லவன். He is a dharmatma, he is also dharmajna. அவனுக்கு சுதாத்வயம். He also has 2 daughters. என்ன கோயின்சிடன்ஸ் பார்த்தீங்களா? He also has 2 daughters. அதனால because he also has 2 daughters, பத்னியர்த்தியம் வரயாமஹே. சடனா கட்சி மாறிட்டார். Suddenly Vishwamitra is jumping to Dasharatha's side and he says, we seek the hand of those 2 girls of Kushadwaja also into our house. भरतस्य कुमारस्य शत्रुघ्नस्य च धीमतः वरयामसुते राजन् तयोरर्थे महात्मनोः. யாருக்கு அப்படின்னா, ஓ கிங், வரயாமஹ we choose, வரயாமஹன we choose னு அர்த்தம். we choose your brother's daughters for these great souls. Yarunna Kumarasya Bharatasya, Bharatakumaran, our young Bharata, and Shatrugnasya Dhimataha. Dhimataha Shatrugnaha, the intelligent Shatrugna and the young Bharata. All four sons of Dasharatha are equal in valor. Devatulya Parakramaha, Lokapalopamaha, they are equal to the Lokapalas, Indra, etc. They are Devatulya Parakramaha, they are equal to Devatas in valor. Adanala, let these two families become really united by the marriage of all the four boys with these four girls. Abdinu or Prastav or proposal is laid out by Vishwamitra Maharshi. இதை கேட்ட உடனே ஜனக மகாராஜா இஸ் வெரி ஹாப்பி. அவர் சொல்கிறார் உடனே ஆஹா. சின்ஸ் வசிஷ்டா ஆல்சோ நாட்ஸ் ஹிஸ் ஹெட், எஸ் எஸ் வெரி குட் வெரி குட் வெரி குட் அப்படின்னு. அப்போ சொல்ல ரெண்டு பேரும் சொல்லிட்டு குலம் தன்யமிதம் மன்யே ஏஷாம் நோ முனி புங்கவௌ. Two Brahma Rishis are getting together to emancipate my Kula. Kulam Dhanyamidam. My Kula is sanctified. My clan is blessed, my race is blessed, my lineage is blessed. Sadrisham Kula Sambandam Yadajñāpayata Swayam. Swayameva நீங்க வந்து கேட்கறாங்க. நீங்க வந்து on your own you are coming and arranging all of these things. On your own everything, on its own everything is happening. On your own you are coming and arranging for all of these things. What can I say? அப்படின்னு சொன்னா Mandavi and Shrutakirti may also be given to Bharata and Shatrughna. And therefore let all the four boys catch hold of their hands of their respective wives on the same day. उत्तरे दिवसे ब्रह्मन् फल्गुनीभ्यां मनीषिणः वैवाहिकं प्रशंसन्ति भगो यत्र प्रजापतिः. For a marriage day, marriage celebration the Falguni nakshatras are very appropriate. Uttara Falguni nakshatram, Purva Falguni, Uttara Falguni, அப்படின்ற ரெண்டு நட்சத்திரம் இருக்கிறதுனால it is very விசேஷமான இது. Let that day be considered for the wedding. அப்படின்னு the wedding day engagement ceremony இது. This is engagement ceremony. நிச்சயதார்த்தம், நிச்சயதா அர்த்தம், for the sake of confirmation, promising to each other, yes, we would like to give, we would like to accept, we would like to receive. அப்படின்னு both the families have gotten together to finalize this wonderful marriage. Obviously, nobody is going to ask Rama, and nobody is going to ask Sita, and nobody is going to ask the other three boys, nobody is going to ask the other three girls, because it is none of their business. Because it is none of their business. When a child is born, the mother doesn't ask the child, so would you like to have my milk or would you like powder milk? When the child is about 1 year old, the mother doesn't say, so what would you like today? She feeds the child. No? The baby is fed, the baby is cleaned, the mother doesn't come and say, so you have soiled your diaper, would you like it to be cleaned or would you like to stay as you are? What are your thoughts about it? Because it is your life. You have to decide. Since it is your life, you should decide. Would you like somebody that you know to clean your diaper, or I need to know the person who is cleaning my diaper. It is my life, my diaper. Alla solluva illaya? Rama himself had no say in his marriage. All the Kama Somas who come now want to have a say in their marriages. Sita herself did not have any say in her marriage. All the Pitas who are coming want to have a say in their marriage. I need to know the person. Listen, what is your prarabdha alone will happen to you whether you know the person or not know the person. You cannot escape it. You cannot escape it. Even if you think you know the person, ultimately prarabdha will rule. Whether you blindfolded you go into a marriage also, if you are depending on your prarabdha, it will work or not work. It has nothing to do with knowing the person. What are you going to do? Neither Rama is asked, nor Lakshmana is asked, nor Bharata or Shatrughna are asked. On the other hand, Sita is also not asked, Urmila is not asked, Mandavi Shrutakirti are not asked, Kushadvaja himself is not asked. அவன் பாட்டு ஏதோ அண்ணா கூப்பிட்டான்னு வந்தான். குஷத்வஜா வாஸ் இன்வைட்டட், எங்க பண்றேன்டா வாடா அப்படின்னு. சரிண்ணா அதோ வரேண்ணா அப்படின்னு கிளம்பி வந்தான். வந்து பார்த்தா 3 நாள்ல பொண்ணு கல்யாணமா அப்படின்னா. At least Dasharatha, Janaka knew always one day or the other somebody might come and lift the bow, then I have to give Sita, I have to be ready. Apni Janaka was waiting. But Kushadvaja had no plans like that. Our body, he just came to attend the yajna. But suddenly all of his elder brother's daughters are getting married. Good news, I will go. Your daughter also is getting married. Our only yara kekar all over. Janaka not asking Kushadvaja. Yena, Kushadvaja is the younger brother. Kushadvaja is the younger brother. Younger brother has to listen to the words of the elder brother. ಅದು இப்பேற்பட்ட elder brother இல்லையா, ஜனக மகாராஜா பரமஞானி இல்லையா, ரிஷிகள் எல்லாம் சேர்ந்து சொல்றா இல்லையா, Vashishta is saying, Vishwamitra is saying, Maharshis are saying, அதுக்கப்புறம் who is to open their mouth and say yes and no to it? அப்புறம் என்ன நடக்கிறது, அதுக்கப்புறம் whatever has to happen, இந்த this combinationல தானே greatness is going to be there. The problem is, people are only interested in their own limited welfare. You think you getting married to somebody is about you. It is not. It is about cosmic plans. But you never think about it, do you? You never ever think about the entire universe having a role or an impact because two people are getting married. You are only thinking, I am getting married to this person, it is about me, it is about me. It is about the entire universe. Because you may produce progeny, that progeny may go to influence the entire universe, yes or no? Or Ravana is born, he controls the entire world, creates so much chaos. Or Rama is born, he creates so much dharma. Or Mahapurusha or Ramana Bhagavan is born, he goes on to become such a big influence. Alagamma and Sundaramayyar are getting married. Anna, what an extraordinary impact it has on the world. Venkaparaju and Ishwaramba are getting married. What an extraordinary event it became and has an impact on the world. My mother and father got married. Today I am sitting telling Ramayana to all of you. What a great impact it is. Apo, is the marriage just between two individuals? Is it not to so many people? Am I not touching so many of your lives by this Ramayana? How idiotic can you be? How foolish can you be? How narrow-minded can you be? How selfish can you be? What kind of a creature can you be? If you are only going to think about only yourself, me, I need to know. It is about the universe. It is about the wonderful scheme of things, God's plan. But you cannot see past your own nose, isn't it? How pathetic that is. How sad that is. How miserable that is. Everywhere there is selfishness only. Everywhere there is only selfishness. My life. Your life can, like this, can finish. Your life is as frail as the life of a mosquito. What is this my life business? Where do these extraordinary, colossal levels of stupidity come from? I do not know. Do you inherit from your parents? Do you learn it from society? Is it part of your schooling? I do not understand, because if Karpari Ramabhiranayallal matrum Karparo appadina solra, if you at all you have to learn from Sri Rama, from Srimad Ramayana. Nobody is asked. Mahatmas decide, they go ahead with it. Yeah, idu loka kalyanartham. This is not for the sake of any one person, two people. It is for the sake of the Devakaryam. Ravana has to be killed. Vishwamitra is not going to be part of Ramayana after this. You all heard Ramayana, no? Does Vishwamitra come anywhere? Photo opportunity. First anniversary, I performed your wedding. How are you all? Are you all doing well? Does Vishwamitra come anywhere? No. No sign. My job is over. What is his job? Making sure that Rama and Sita come together, because this is going to change the course of history. This is not about Rama or Sita individually. It is about the life of all beings on earth. Each one of us can very well be a part of that. Our coming together with our partner, our husband or wife, whoever that case may be, may create a revolution, may create an immense divine spiritual transformation in the entire world. Maybe because of coming together, one or the other may attain jnana. Maybe you may produce such extraordinary children that will make a big splash in the universe. Great teachers they may become, great scientists they may become. Men and women of extraordinary character they may arise and become leaders of nations. Who knows? And yet all you can think about it is my life. How ridiculous this is. Your life is not yours. It belongs to God. It is His. For Him to deal with, to dispose of as He pleases. And yet, although people claim to be spiritual, although they say they are on the path of spirituality, in spite of all of that, they are still, when it comes to this, they say, but this is practical. There is no greater practicality than spirituality. That is the only practical. You cannot keep spiritual then practical, spiritual and then rest of life. There is no such division. Such divisions cannot exist. As long as such divisions exist, that means you are not giving your 100% to spirituality. You are already separating. And when you separate it, you can only give a portion because the other portion belongs to this. Therefore, you are definitely not going to attain God as long as that attitude is going to be there in you. Spiritual versus the rest. Because then you will divide your attention. You will say this much for this and this much for spiritual. How are you going to dedicate 100% of your attention to spirituality then? Everything has to become spiritual. Only then can you dedicate yourself 100% to spirituality. Is it not? So although people think they are spiritual, although people honestly believe that they are treading on the spiritual path, unconsciously they fail. They slip, they fall, because they do not understand that ultimately it is only the will of God that will happen, that works, that is important. Because He has got wonderful things in play. He's got extraordinary things in motion. And we are all small pieces, pawns in chess, We are just small pieces that He moves. He says this should move from here to here. This should move from here to here. This should go from there to there. How many He is moving? In that celestial movement, we are all part of that movement. That is all. It is utter idiocy to think that we matter anything more than that. We will stop here for today. And then we'll continue again tomorrow with the rest of Rama and Sita's wedding celebrations. Janaki Kanta Smaranam Jai Jai Rama Rama Anjaneya Swami Ki Jai. Sarve bhavantu sukhinaः sarve santu niramaya sarve bhadrani pashyantu ma kachid dukkha bhag bhavet lokah samastah sukhino bhavantu lokah samastah sukhino bhavantu lokah samastah sukhino bhavantu om shanti 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 hari om tat sat Shri Sai Ishwararpanamastu.